Problem 7, it says in figure 2 above, BCF, that small triangle, is similar to ADE. So we know they're similar. So we know this BC length corresponds to AD's length. This CF corresponds to the DE, and BF corresponds to AE. And it might help us if we draw these as two separate triangles. If we simply draw that inner triangle, which here's BCF, and we know it's similar to the whole big thing of ADE. That'll probably help us so we don't get confused, because they're going to give us links in here, and sometimes if you start trying to write on here, you get messed up. So let's see. It says BC is 24, so this length right here is 24. FB, let's look. FB, that side length is 12. CF is 18. It gives me all the distances around this guy. And then it comes here and says, okay, DE is 21. So what's the perimeter of ADE? Well, we could come in here and figure out what this leg is, since we could set up, 18 is to 21 is 24 is to whatever that is, and then do this leg. But we don't need to do that. We already know the perimeter of this triangle. We can simply add up. 12 and 18 is, what, 30? 30 plus 24 is 54. This guy's 54, and we're trying to figure this guy's perimeter out. So all I got to do is say, hey, 18 corresponds to the 21. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, hey, 18 is to the 21. So 18 is to the 21, as 54 is to our missing perimeter over here. 54 is to our missing perimeter over here. And now I'm just going to means extremes it. Cross product. 18 times the P is equal to 54 times 21. Now I'm going to have to cheat and go over to the side. I could do that in my head. That wouldn't be too hard. 1, 1, 3, 4, or pencil and paper it. And now when I end up dividing by 18 on both sides, I'm going to get a perimeter of 63. I divided this by 18 and divided that by 18. I get perimeter of this guy, 63. A little bit more. Notice it was 18. This side increased to 21. So we would expect the perimeter to be a little bit more. And it is. It's 63. So the answer to problem 7, what is the perimeter of ADE? It is 63 units.